Yes, viewers, we are going to drive through Ekwulobia down to Awka-etiti towards Novi side today. Earlier on, when we showed you Isofia, we brought some part of this axis towards you, and you have a view of that. But this time around, we are going to bring to you straight coverage from Ekwulobia down to this axis that I've just told you. This axis covered about three different local governments. You know, Ekwulobia is in Agwata local government. Ichida, we are going to pass through Ichida. Ichida is in Onitsha local government. Then down to Awka-etiti. Awka-etiti is in Idemili South local government. So that is how we are going to move. So let me just give a brief, introduction about Ekwulobia in Anambra State. Ekwulobia is one of the cities in Anambra State. People usually say that after Onitsha, Awka, Nnewi, you start talking about Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia is fast developing into a city. Yes, we are still in Ekwulobia, and after Ekwulobia, we are going to enter IGBO-UKWU. So, but as we are still in Ekwulobia, let me still be making some explanations concerning Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia contains 9 villages, traditionally created, as 2 sectors, Ezi and Ifite. There are 2 sectors in Ekwulobia. Talk of Ezi sector and Ifite sector. The villages under Ezi are Umuchiana, Umuchi, Okbo, Nkono, Abogume, and Ihu Okbala. These are the villages under Ezi. Then you talk of Ifite. Ifite has Agba as one of the villages, Ola as one of the villages, and Ezi Agolo. Yes. Then so there is no need giving you or showing you the Ekwulobia flyover there, because last time we visited, which is about 2 to 3 weeks ago, there is nothing happening there. It's still like that, so there is no need showing you that flyover. That's why we decided to go straight into the main discussion that we are bringing to you. Then Ekwulobia has a traditional ruler, or you can call him Igwe. His name is Emmanuel Chukwukadibia Onyeneke. Like I said, our movement is just on this road. We are not entering anywhere. We are not entering Isofia. We are not entering any place. It's just to move from that Ekwulobia flyover axis down to the Awka-etiti axis. That is how we are going to move. Then Ekwulobia is known for its special masquerade called the Achiku. It's typically, occurring during Christmas and Easter celebration. That's the masquerade that is known to Ekwulobia people. Then I cannot complete this thing without mentioning the towns that are under Agwata local government, just like Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia has other towns that are in the same local government with it. But right now we have entered the Sofia anyway. But we just want to finish mentioning some few things about Ekwulobia. Other local government inside Agwata is Ekwulobia 1, Abo, Achina, Oga, IGBO-UKWU. Then We talk of Ezinifite, Ikenga, Amesi, Oreri, Umona, and Bolo. Having said that, I need to let you know that we are in Iswafia. All this while we have been in Iswafia, and you are seeing it from the screen that we are at Iswafia, the hometown of the present governor of Anambra State, Governor Charles Soludo. This is his hometown. We have brought Iswafia to you one time, but this time around we are not going to enter into Iswafia. It's just for us to pass through this road and go to Awka-etiti axis. That is it. Yes, no doubt. You see this road. If this road is not dualized now, it will be dualized later. It may not be a priority for now, but I know that later is going to be one of the priorities of the state to dualize this type of road. This type of connecting roads is good that the government start now to put it in shape, because the rate things are going, development is coming very fast, and the government is not meeting up with the individual development that is happening in the state. The acid test of this road is during festivities. You will see that it is very, very difficult to pass through this road. Ordinarily, it's not bad. People normally use it, but during festivities, it's very difficult to pass through this road. It depends on the time that you are going to pass, especially towards Nobi Junction. Ekwulobia axis is now under control. The problem is Nobi Junction. There should be a flyover there, like I said the other time. Yes, right now we have entered the IGBO big. There's IGBO big, IGBO-UKWU. That is where we are now. Moving along IGBO-UKWU, we are going to meet that popular IGBO-UKWU market. I think is IGBO-UKWU or so they call it. Then after IGBO-UKWU, enter Ichida, Awka-etiti. That is it. This is the IGBO-UKWU market I was referring to. A very busy market. On a market day, Igbos have 4 market days: Nkwo, Eke, Oye, and Afo. So every major market in Igbo land has its own day. Even though it's a daily market, all of them are daily market. Majority of them, let me put it like that, majority of the markets are daily market, but they have their own day. That their day, you will see the difference in the market. The market will be very, very populated because people from far and wide will be at the market to buy or to sell. That's the way Igbo people do their own market business. Viewers, we are still in Igbo Big. Shortly, we are going to enter Ichida. Like I said, Ichida is in Onitsha local government, while Igbo-UKWU, Ekwulobia is under Agota local government. Yes, gentlemen and ladies, we've just passed Chida. It depends on the area of Ichida that we passed. The major part of Ichida is not this side, it's on the other side, by the right side. So we are now in Awka-etiti. Yes, gentlemen, we are still in Awka-etiti, but shortly we are going to move down to Iswafia. Some part of this video is not, is missing. Honestly, some part is missing, so we are just moving back to Iswafia to continue from Iswafia down to Ekwulobia, and we are going to end this video. Thank you. Yes, this is Ekwulobia. We just passed the Sofia. We are now into Ekwulobia. And like I said, there is no need showing you that flyover under construction because nothing is happening there for now. Even though personally I see it, even if I showed you the flyover after some time, it is part of report also, just like somebody that is doing a report, you giving reports. If nothing happened and you put there is nothing that happened, it is still a report. But from what happened the other time, it shows that some people don't like it, when you visit a site and nothing is happening there. They will be making some kind of comments that is waste of data, is waste of this and that. But they forgot to realize that even at that, giving you almost the same thing means that nothing is happening. Is a report also. In fact, it's one of the most important reports. If you don't know, it's not only when you see something happening that you know that yes, these people are doing something. If we give you, a situation and nothing much happened there, and we will usually tell you the time, the gap that we gave you, from the last visit and the present visit. We usually say it. And when we drop such reports, if nothing is happening there, it means that nothing is happening. Then you'll be updated also. I don't know if you got my point, and I'm sure that my point is very, very clear. Thank you.